Hello everyone. Today is 11 August 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Malirao and today's our topic is static keyword. Uh, Static keyword in Java. Firstly, we discuss the what is the static keyword. Static keyword in Java is the memory management mainly. Means the static keyword is used to uh, manage the memory of the Java program. Means we create a static program, then the we create the static variable or static method, then the memory allocate in the class. We uh, we can apply static keyword with the variable method blocks and nested class. The static keyword belong to the class. Then the instance of the class means the instance static keyword is belong to the instance of the class means the static keyword are declare static keyword of the variable is uh, declare the top of the class means the inside the class static keyword static variable declare above the main method. And the static can be variable methods blocks and nested. firstly we discuss the java Firstly we discuss the java static variable. The java static variable declare if you declare the variable as a static, it is known the static variable. uh, and the static variable can be used to refer the common property of the all objects. We can't unique the each object means uh, the static variable get the memory only once in the class area at the time of the class loading. Means we declare the any static variable, the the memory of the static variable can the memory of the static variable can declare uh, in the class, and is declare only once. They means the if we changes the in the variable multiple time, then does not require the multiple memory. This is the this is the advantage of the static keyword. Most important advantage of the static keyword. The another advantage of the static variable is the it make the program memory efficient. Means the if we declare the any variable as a static, then we can access this variable in another class in same package of another class, without creating the object of this class, uh, without creating of object in this class. This scenario same as a method. If you create a static method in one class, and then we can this method we can access the another class in same package in the static method. Then we can access this method without creating the object of this class uh, in the syntax class name dot method name. We can invoke the method without creating the object of this class. This is the uh, most important advantage of the static keyword. And the memory can memory cannot allocate the multiple time. Memory allocate only once time, then we create optimizing the class or time the loading the class. And then Next is the static keyword. Disadvantage of the static keyword is the disadvantage of the static keyword is we as we only use the static keyword in a static method. Only keyword in a static method, and non-static variable are not. Uh, and non-static variable are non-static instance variable are not accessible in a static method. Therefore the and same as the static keyword are not accessible in a non-static method. This is for the static keyword, all about static keyword. Thank you.